Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. We're back in my kitchen tonight and I'll be cooking a one-pot meal tonight. I'll be making a cheeseburger rice meal. It's all done in one pot, so it's very easy cleanup tonight. This meal is budget friendly, a family favorite and very easy to put together. So let's start cooking this cheeseburger rice meal in one pot. In a large pot, I'm going to heat up about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to cook up one small onion that I just chopped into little pieces. So I'm adding that to the hot oil. And I'll just cook this for a few minutes until it softens. I will be linking this recipe in the description box down below if you want to follow along. Now that you have cooked your onions for a few minutes, just until it turns soft, add 500 grams of beef mince. If beef mince is too expensive in your area, you can also use chicken mince to make a chicken burger and rice. Now I'm going to cook the meat until it's nice and brown, and then I'll be adding the seasoning. After browning the mince, you just want to remove the excess. Just remove the excess grease. You don't want all that grease in your mince. If you're using chicken mince, there won't be any grease, but with the beef mince, there is a bit of excess grease, so just remove it with your paper towel. This is optional, but I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. My family really enjoys garlic flavor, so I'm adding the crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon, but you don't have to add the garlic if you don't want to. Add 1 teaspoon of each. I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm adding a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm adding a teaspoon of oregano. And I also add a teaspoon of ground paprika. Mix this through your cooked mince. Add 1 cup of uncooked rice to your beef. or your mince. Add 1.5 cups of beef broth, and add 8 ounces, that's 126 grams of tomato sauce. Stir that all together. Before you start cooking the rice, add just a little pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper and mix that through. You do not want to add too much salt because it's got the beef stock in it and that's already very salty. So we will taste later on in the recipe to see if it needs more salt. So now I'm just going to let it continue to simmer until the rice is ready. Now your rice is cooked and nice and fluffy. Now we want to make this into a cheeseburger, so we definitely need to add some cheese. And I'm going to add 1 cup of grated cheese to our cheeseburger rice. Stir in the grated cheese into the rice mixture until it is nice and melted and incorporated. This is going to taste just like a cheeseburger, just without the buns. Instead of the buns, we are using the rice. So it makes it a little bit healthier, I think. Once the cheese is incorporated into the rice, just give it a little bit of a taste test to make sure that you don't need any more salt, because you didn't put a lot of salt in the beginning. But I think with the beef broth, it will be salty enough. It definitely doesn't need any more salt. So at this stage, the dish is ready to eat. But I want to sprinkle it with a little bit more cheese on top. And I'm just going to cover it up and let the cheese melt. I turn the heat off because we do not need it to burn, but we do need melted cheese on top just to give it that nice melted cheeseburger look. So from here, I'm just going to put the lid on and leave it for a few minutes until the cheese gets nice and melty. The cheeseburger rice is ready and the cheese is nice and melty and it looks beautiful. And I am ready to dish up. Of course, cheeseburger always comes with salad, tomato, and some pickles. So we need to add that with the meal. This cheeseburger rice meal is complete. I added some crispy lettuce, some pickles and some tomatoes as a side to this meal, and we are going to enjoy dinner tonight. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go. It will be in the description box down below. Dinner was lovely and everybody enjoyed it. It was so delicious, and the salad with it was so light and crispy, and I mixed everything together and it tasted just like a cheeseburger. It was really a good meal. You've got to try this recipe. You will find it in the description box down below. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.